Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for May 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Aries, let's see money, career, finances. Uy, ganda naman, oh. Fortune. This is Sun in Leo in the 5th house. So, maaring merong kayong kikitaing pera sa inyong pagiging creative, no? So, anything na gagamitin nyo ang inyong mga talento, abilities, ganyan. Kasi 5th house is about your creativity, yung being in the center of attention. Oh, yung iba sa inyo maaring you will gain more attention, lalo na if you are into social media or kahit hindi sa social media, halimbawa sa trabaho nyo, maaring meron kang mga magagawa dyan sa trabaho mo na pupuriin ka ng boss dahil sa iyong creative thinking, mga creative ideas mo. Creative talents and skills. Let's see what else. You have Jupiter in Virgo in the 6th house. Jupiter is the planet of luck, abundance, prosperity, expansion. It's in your 6th house of your work routine. So, I think marami kang trabaho. Oo, ngayong May, medyo magiging busy ka rin na mag-organize ng inyong schedule. You will also focus on taking care of yourself, your health, no, yung kalusugan mo. Oo. Let's see, ano pa. You have Venus in Capricorn in the 10th house. Wow. 10th house is your career, your reputation, your business. So, Venus is there. Venus is the planet of money, beauty, aesthetics. So, maaring meron kang mga career or business related sa wellness and beauty, makeup, yung mga ganong business, skincare, ayan, mas lalo kang magiging successful dyan kung ikaw ay may ginagawang effort, no? Kasi Capricorn is the energy of someone na nag-e-effort talaga, doing the hard work, and then nare-reward sila dun sa hard work na yon. And it's in your 10th house of career, money, yung iyong trabaho, business. You also have Saturn in Aries in the 1st house. So, maaring ikaw ay magti-take ng risk, no, sa trabaho, sa business, sa career, or even sa sarili mo. Meron ka mga susubukang bagay na although hindi ka pamilyar, hindi ka komportable, pero you are, lumalabas ka sa iyong comfort zone. Ayan. So, I think you are exploring other options and explore mo yung iba mo pang mga pwedeng gawin. Let's see. Ano pa? Money, career, finances for Aries ngayong May 2024. Siyempre, sa pagte-take ng risk, kailangan, rin yan, well calculated para kumbaga, hindi ka rin naman masyadong susugal, 'di ba? Kumbaga, you know what you're doing, nag-research ka naman, malakas yung loob mo, no? You have the 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords is about ending isang masalimuot or stressful na situation sa trabaho, sa business, or sa pera mo ay natatapos na. Kaya may nag-open up na bagong opportunity sa'yo. Uy, the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing for the better. Kumbaga, the wheel is turning in your favor. Yes, major change for some of you in your money, career, finances. 7 of coins, so ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong e-effortan nyo talaga, no? Lalo na yung career nyo. Kasi yan ay magiging worth it naman. This is coming to fruition. So, basta trinabaho nyo, no? Yan. Uy! Oh, 6 of Wands. This is success. Victory. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga sasalihang contest, no, sa trabaho, sinong pinakamagaling, o kaya sa business, sinong pinakamagandang negosyo. Pero yung meron kayong award na matatanggap, no, it's about a recognition, no. I-recognize ang iyong galing, ang iyong talento. Yan. And there's also success. Ito yung talagang ipinaglaban mo, no, ipinurso mo talaga. You have the 6 of Cups. This is about what you really love to do. Ever since nung bata ka pa. Some of you, yun ang ipupurso nyo ngayon. Yung mga talagang masasabi mong first love mo pagdating sa career, sa trabaho. So, let's see, ano pa. Kasi 'di ba, meron tayong major work or career, no? Some people ganun eh. Meron silang major work, trabaho, yun yung major source of income nila. And then, meron din silang isa pang income generating na activity, pero yun yung hobby nila, no? Yun yung libangan nila. So, halimbawa, ikaw ay isang nurse, no? So, yan yung major job mo talaga. Pero, marunong ka rin kumanta. Pwedeng nagsa-side gig ka, or tipong kumakanta ka sa mga bars, sa mga hotels, or sa mga weddings. Alam mo yun, extra income. Pero yun talaga yung gusto mo. So, don't fix what isn't broken. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring mag-overthink sa mga bagay na akala nyo may problema, pero wala naman pala, no? Oo. I-fix mo lang kung ano yung necessary. Kasi baka, instead na magamit mo yung isang bagay, hindi mo magagamit kasi na-overthink mo na baka may kulang or sira siya. Alam mo yun? Don't fix what isn't broken. So, ibig sabihin, whatever works for you, no? Kung ano yung sa tingin mong gumagana para sa'yo, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, ipagpatuloy mo na lang. And then, focus also on spending more time with nature. Labas-labas din daw kayo. Oo. Uy, may upgrade. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay maaring mapopromote sa trabaho. Or you are going to be your own boss. So, magsa-start kayo ng business na kayo talaga ang boss. Wala kayong dapat i-please na ibang tao aside from your clients or your customers. Chickadee. The time is right to release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. Ayan. So, meron kang i-release na old patterns. Yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi na nagwo-work for you, no? I-release mo na yan. Pwedeng pwedeng bagay, sitwasyon, no? Environment, or yung mismong mindset mo ang i-let go mo na. Yung mindset na hindi nakakatulong sa pag-unlad ng iyong kabuhayan, ng iyong trabaho, ng kayong career, ng iyong business. And you are ready to embrace change. So, maaring yun nga, merong major change in your career, your finances, your money. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Wow. So, there's happiness and peace for you ngayong May, pagdating sa trabaho, career mo, at sa business mo. Oo. So, kumbaga, itong blessings na to, ikaw yung bahala kung paano mo mararamdaman yung happiness dyan. Kasi yung iba, kahit na bless sila, hindi sila masaya. Kasi lalo na kung they are comparing kung sino ang mas magandang sitwasyon sa kakilala nila, no, or versus sa kanila. Sabi nga, if you want happiness, yung blessings mo daw, yun yung, count your blessings, kumbaga. If you want to be happy, count your blessings. Yes. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.